The House Oversight Committee this morning is investigating the Trump administration's travel practices. The administration was already under fire for travel by Health and Human Services Secretary Tom Price and Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin. Now CBS News has learned the EPA paid tens of thousands of dollars for Administrator Scott Pruitt to take non-commercial flights. Julianna Goldman broke the story this week and has new details from Washington. Julianna, good morning.
Good morning. Well, former government officials and ethics watchdogs say the non-commercial air travel by Trump administration officials is unprecedented. Documents obtained by CBS News show the Environmental Protection Agency and its administrator, Scott Pruitt, have spent more than $58,000 in non-commercial travel costs since February. On July 27th, EPA Administrator Scott Pruitt flew on a private plane from his hometown of Tulsa to an event in Guymon, Oklahoma. Then he boarded the same 12-seat Learjet and flew to Oklahoma City. Records obtained by CBS News show that in total he spent 83 minutes in the air, costing taxpayers more than $14,000. The EPA says the flight was chartered through the Interior Department as part of an interagency program. There were no commercial flights available, and the drive was 5 hours each way.
Process, rule of law, and cooperative federalism, that's going to be the heart of how we do business at the EPA.
In total, Pruitt has spent nearly $60,000 on non-commercial travel since February, according to information obtained by CBS News and documents provided to Senator Sheldon Whitehouse, who requested the details last month. In June, taxpayers shelled out $36,000 when Pruitt flew on an Air Force jet from Cincinnati to New York, where he caught a flight to Italy for an international summit. In August, Pruitt took a $5,700 air charter between Denver and Durango, Colorado. In both cases, the EPA says commercial travel would have prevented Pruitt from attending official events.
Mr. President.
On Wednesday, President Trump was asked to address travel costs of other members of his cabinet, including Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin's use of military and government planes and $400,000 racked up by his HHS Secretary Tom Price.
I was looking into it, and I will look into it, and I will tell you personally, I'm not happy about it.
Inspectors General at the EPA, the Treasury Department, and the Department of Health and Human Services are now all looking into air travel habits. The EPA says its ethics office approved all of Pruitt's non-commercial travel, and Charlie, a spokesperson, says Pruitt has taken 1 private charter and 3 government flights, and there have been no additional non-commercial flights.
Julianna, thanks.